Okay, like these Fashion Novas and Pretty Little Things, the clothes be cheap, not well made, the shipping is trash, like all of the above, okay? I'd rather put the money in the pockets of somebody who looks like me. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a spring try on haul. Now these outfits, honey, before I even get into it, they are giving me all the vibes, okay? I know we're all stuck in the house. I know we can't leave. I know it's looking like we might not have a summer, but as soon as they let us back outside, it's a wrap, okay? I'm putting on one of these outfits and that's on period. So this video is brought to you guys by Abby's Classics. They are a clothing brand based out of Queens, New York. You guys know I'm from New York, so I have to support my black businesses in my city, okay? I have to. So I know you guys are familiar with like Fashion Nova and Pretty Little Thing and all those like fast fashion websites. Well, if you're looking for a black owned business to support that has a bunch of really cute clothes, Abby's Classics is the place for you. I am going to try on a couple of pieces. I'll show you guys what they look like on. I'll give you the price point, all that good stuff. And if you guys are interested in any of the items that you see throughout this video, make sure you check the links in my description box because I will have everything labeled. I'll have the links there, I'll have the price, I'll have the size, honey, I'll have everything, okay? So without further ado, let's get on right into this video. So the first item I'm going to be showing you guys is this red and white striped bodysuit. I have it on right now. I forgot to include this in the video, but just so you guys know, I do have a coupon code. It's EA20 for 20% off. So if you do make a purchase, make sure you use that coupon code so that you can get 20% off, okay? Use that discount, girl. I have it on the screen what it looks like. It is a really pretty red color. I don't think I own much red in my wardrobe because I just feel like red doesn't look good on me, but this one actually looks really cute. I love that the stripes are vertical, so it's super flattering. I have a really short torso, so anything that can elongate me and like make me look like I'm a little bit, you know, taller, I'm down for it. This one definitely gives those vibes. I have the bodysuit in a size large, and like I said, it's $30, so I think that's a really great price for the bodysuit. Honestly, it has a really nice material to it. Sometimes when you buy items that have like this silky material, they're very thin, they're see-through. Like I didn't have any of those experience with this. It's definitely not see-through. It is a very nice like satiny type of feel. The only thing, because this is a size large, it came buttoned, but I wasn't able to get my hand through the hole, so I had to unbutton it. So really the only way that I could wear this is if I go ahead and just button up the sleeve like this, which isn't a problem. I just need a little bit of help to do it, and I didn't have that help today. And for reference, if you guys are wondering, I normally wear a size 12, and my bra size I think is like a 36 double D, I think. So if you're around my size, just for reference, just let you know, I normally wear a size 12, so in bodysuits I'll normally get a large or extra large depending on how it's made. So the large is definitely fine if you guys are a similar size as me. So the next item I'm going to be showing you guys is the front wrap collared jumpsuit. This is what it looks like. It looks so much better on. You guys can't really tell what it's hitting for here, but it's just a black skinny leg jumpsuit, as you guys can see, and it's very flattering. This jumpsuit is only $33, so that's a really great price for a jumpsuit. The quality of the jumpsuit is really good. It's definitely not see-through. It has some substance to it, so I'm very happy that so far so good. The first two items are not see-through because that is my pet peeve. So it looks really good on. I don't normally wear jumpsuits because I have hip dips. Like I don't have like the Coke bottle shape. Like I have a little butt, but my hips don't go out like, you know, pow, like the Instagram models do. So I don't normally wear jumpsuits because I feel like it just accentuates the fact that I don't have hips. So, but I actually really like how this one looks because it has a belt. The belt is super flattering, and because it's black, it just is very forgiving. You tie the belt a little tight and it just kind of snatches you in and looks really cute. I think you can definitely get away with wearing it to dinner or brunch or like a party, wherever you want to go. You could dress it up or you could dress it down and make it more casual, but I think it's definitely a really cute staple item to have in your closet if you guys are on the market for a really cute jumpsuit. Moving on to the next item I have is this Ruffle magenta dress. This is only $20. It does have a split in the leg, as you guys will see in the clip. It gives you a little bit of a sexy thigh action. I love a dress with a split, okay? And this dress would honestly look so much better on me probably if I did wear some Spanx, because it would kind of snatch me in a little bit more. Like I said, I normally buy my clothes in a size 12, and this is kind of leading me to believe that I buy my clothes too big. I would recommend, if you're shopping on Abby's Classics, to either go to your actual size or size down. You definitely don't need to size up on anything because they fit me and I'm normally a size 12 and this is a size 8 dress. I'll show you guys in the clip. I took my arm out of the sleeves and I just wore it like a strapless dress, and it looked really, really cute that way as well. And you guys probably can't even really notice that it was squeezing my arm, but once you get closer on the camera, you can kind of see that my meat was suffocating, honey. Okay, it was suffocating, and this dress was a little bit tight, but honestly, I'd rather it fit a little bit tight than be baggy. You feel me? So yeah, this one was really, really cute. I love the color. Pink is one of my favorite colors. As you guys can see, my room is very pink. I try to put a little bit of black to offset the pink, but I love pink. So this color is really, really cute. If you guys are on the market for a really inexpensive dress, go ahead and check out Abby's Classics. Everything will be in the description box below. Moving on to the very last item. This is the blue python dress. It is just a really pretty like blue snake print, and it has like this nude cream color mixed in with it. It's picking up really good on camera. This is pretty much what it looks like in real life. I definitely think that this dress is trendy right now because animal print, snake, cheetah, leopard, whatever, it's very popular right now, and this is definitely something I could see myself wearing for like brunch with some sandals, you know, a little purse. Like this would just look really, really cute, and you could always roll up the sleeves for when it gets hotter outside, and it looks so cute on. You can go ahead and button it all the way down. I, however, left a couple of the buttons undone so that I could show a little bit of leg. I would recommend you wear it like that too because it's really, really cute. So I cannot wait to wear it once they let us outside. Okay, once they let us outside, it's a wrap. I'm wearing all these outfits, period. I might wear them all in the same week because I'm not playing. Okay, so yeah, all in all, I really loved all of the items that she sent me over. I can't wait to go ahead and place another order because there's so many other things on the website that I want to get and I need. If you guys liked anything that you saw today, everything will be listed in the description box below. And if you didn't see anything that you liked, there is a bunch of other stuff on her website that you guys can check out. So make sure you guys go check that out and support my girl, okay? I love supporting black businesses. I just feel like there's so many fast fashion brands out here. I'm putting money in the pockets of all of these big corporations. I might as well put the money in the pockets of a local brand that's owned by a black person that has great quality, okay? Like these Fashion Novas and Pretty Little Things, the clothes be cheap, not well made, the shipping is trash, like all of the above, okay? I'd rather put the money in the pockets of somebody who looks like me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My try on haul videos are normally really, really popular, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite. Let me know how you would style it. Would you put it with heels? Would you wear it with sneakers? Like, how you gonna wear it? Let me know in the comments down below. I love doing try on videos because I just feel like there's not a lot of women on YouTube doing these type of videos that are of my size or larger. So I'm trying to put on for the big girls, okay, or the bigger girls, because the last time I did a plus size try on haul, people were coming for me saying that I'm not plus size, and I feel like size 12 is plus size, but okay. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see in the comments down below, and a big shout out to Abby's Classics for sponsoring this video. Thank you for wanting to work with me. I really loved all the items that I got. I'm gonna stop talking now and get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.